everyone. I'm Pia.
Hello, everybody. I'm Cullen.
We're here to bring you a message from Laarkmaa and whoever from the other voices of the light would like to talk to everyone today.
So we hope you enjoy this and that it will be uplifting and helpful.
Give us a moment. Laarkmaa will speak. Hello, dear ones. We are Laarkmaa. We are here to support you on your evolutionary journey. We have been telling you that things will fall apart before your new reality can begin, and you are beginning to see accelerated signs of things crumbling. We want you to know that there is nothing wrong with this. It is very, very right. In order for the new that you seek to arrive, you absolutely have to allow the old things that no longer work to fall apart. So you're seeing it in all kinds of ways, showing up in all kinds of circumstance. Also, at the same time, you are aware that the earth is doing a tremendous amount of changing herself. Your earth is bringing forth volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, tsunamis, windstorms, dust storms, hail, fires, all kinds of things to help the purification process proceed. Purification means getting rid of what no longer works, realigning with the space that is required for something new to come in. So we are here to encourage you. Do what you can to support and help one another. Trust that this process is for the highest good of your species and for the evolution of the planet. And know that we are here with you, walking you through this transformative time. Do not be afraid. Be courageous. Be curious. Be excited about what will come when the purification is finished. You're just going through the transformative process now, and we are here to help with that. Also today, one of our colleagues and great friends, Mother Mary, would like to speak to you about a different way of purification, something that is related, aligned, akin to what we are speaking of, but from a completely different perspective. So we will give you a moment to absorb what we have said, and then Mother Mary will speak to you. I am Mother Mary. I am here to tell you the time of awakening is present. It is now. And I'm here to ask you to lay down your burdens, put aside your fears, lay down what worries you. Having your worries and traumas and burdens carried around inside of you, in your thoughts, on your back, so to speak, is not helpful in your transformative purpose. I would like to assure you that you will get through this. I would like to assure you that your light is making a difference. I would like to assure you that you are moving towards unity and a better way of being on this planet. Everything involved with the purification comes from inside as well as outside. The earth is doing her part, as Laarkmaa spoke about purification from the outside. The structures that need to fall apart are falling apart also on the outside. But your part of the purification comes from the inside. This is the piece that I am speaking to today. I beseech you, lay down your heavy heart. Lay down your worry. Lay down your fears. Trust that you will be going through this with grace, flow, ease, and love. When you put your worries and fears aside, a space opens inside of you where you can feel a lighter energy that is going to carry you through this process. I have noticed many people who are requesting help at this time are caught up in their habitual pattern of thinking about what has gone wrong in their life. Things that are coming to the surface to be purified are exactly that, coming to the surface in order to be purified, not for you to dwell on them, not for you to feel sorry for yourself, and not for you to feel depressed. They come to the surface in order for you to put them aside, lay them down, walk away from them, and become who you truly are. Many people get stuck in the idea of, well, I survived this and I survived that, and look what happened to me. But don't look at what happened to you. I would say, stop looking in that direction. Stop turning your focus towards the past and what you have gone through. Instead, lay that down and look for a brighter vision. Turn your eyes inward to who you are now and the process of who you are becoming. Let the light that you are shine from your heart outward into the world, and let your heart be at ease as you go through this process of transformation. You do not need to think about what you have survived. You do not need to think about who has hurt you, what they have done, what you have had to go through. All of those things are only living because you keep them in your mind. You do not need them where you're going. You do not need the memory. You do not need the story. You especially do not need to keep telling the story over and over and over again. Every time you tell the story of what you've gone through, it sets another rut into the loop of your being able to move forward. So you cannot get out of the rut. Stop telling the story. Stop talking about how long you've been on the planet, how many things have gone wrong, what you've had to put up with, what you've done to be of service. All of that lives in the past, and the past does not exist now. You now have your now moment, and that is a living thing. Your now moment is your point of creativity, your point of forward movement, your point of peeling off the shell of who you thought you are and bursting into the full bloom of who you truly are. So I ask you again, lay down your burden, put aside your fears, stop telling your story, and begin to tell a new story of where you are today, right now, in this moment, and how being in this moment of purification is leading you to the next moment and the next now moment and the next. Live your now moments. As Mary Magdalene says, take each experience just as an experience. They are all for your learning. Everything you go through is of service. Do your part in this grand purification to get rid of what no longer serves. Trust your heart, trust each other, trust yourself, and trust the universe. I give you this message from love, and I am here to talk with you again sometime when you need it. I am always here for you, for I am Mother Mary, the one who helps you find your way. Hello, dear ones. We are Laarkmaa, and we feel Mother Mary's message is completely in synchronicity with our own message about the purification that you are working your way through. Trust the process, trust yourself, trust each other, trust the universe. Use your courage and your excitement to do what you need to do for your part on your inside work while the outer world shakes apart and the old falls away to create space for the new to arrive. We leave you with this message of hope, this message of promise, and this message of trust. We have gone through an evolutionary process similar to yours. We know that you struggle, but we also know how strong you are. And we are here to empower you to call upon that strength, transcend what no longer works, and move into the beauty of who you are as divine sparks of light. We love you. Good always. We're all in this together, everyone.
It's teamwork. We need to understand that collaboration is absolutely important in this time of unifying our energies. Our job, one of our jobs, is to create a unity field around us together. And as we group ourselves together, as we help each other, we're making this process better and easier for all of us.
Some people call that moving into another timeline. We don't use that verbiage because Laarkmaa tells us time doesn't exist. What we feel is that we're moving into a different dimension because we are multidimensional beings, and we're going to move into it together.
So let's try to have some fun, maybe be a little less serious about everything, and just do our best to raise our vibration as high as we possibly can and spread that light and love out wherever we go or whatever we do.
And for those of you who are on a wait list for a Laarkmaa session or an intuitive session with me, please check your emails. In the first week of August, we'll be scheduling as many people as possible for the month of August. So please check your emails for your opportunity when your name comes on the waiting list. We look forward to talking with each and every one of you.
All right.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye for now. Check out our books, card deck, calendars, and articles at laarkmaa.com. That's LAARKMAA.com.